Oh my gosh. It's a forever block. And we're back to this thing again. And I've made this thing like this so you can actually do this. So, this is how you're going to do it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What? Makes no sense. It's crazy. Crazy. It's either going to be a pop or meow. I just know it. Okay. We're going to go to like Milwaukee. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was crazy. Okay. Yeah, head shake. We're going to do that. And then we're going to do this. We're going to go to wacky. What? That's a ta-da. It says it for me. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, that one. That one. Whiz. Head shake. So, this is what we're going to do. Sound. Please sound whiz till done. Please sound head shake till done. Yeah, I said until right there. Let's just go. Okay, now we're done. And actually, we only need one more thing to do. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. It's a forever block. You can see it. You can actually see it. You can see it. It's just keep going. What? How is this possible? How? Okay, this is just getting annoying. Oh my god. I hope you liked our video today. Bye.